Nanotech is expert in the manufacturing of the nano-based lubricant oil additive for more than 25 years. 2020, we developed proprietary nanographene materials. Graphene is really wonder material, world's thinnest, lightest, strongest material. The characteristic of the graphene is fast thermal conductivity, anti-friction, anti-corrosion. Likely graphene has a great advantage to restore the old engines, not like existing ingredient. Old vehicle has a lot of the power, noisy emission problem, and high fuel consumption. To restore the old engine and make the new engines, our graphene-based G-Ray arranged a very stable and strong graphene layer on the worn-out engine surface, just 30 minutes driving after injection. So achieve the power increased and smooth and silent landing, and the noisy and emission drop down dramatically. Get the fuel savings, extend the lifetime of the engine and the engine oils. To restore all the engines, many people used to add various kind of the lubricant oil additive, which are already selling in market. But actually consumers used to be disappointed with the uncertain effectiveness after adding many existing lubricant oil additives. Now, we want to explain the differences and the advantage of our world unique graphene product G-Ray compared with the existing all lubricant oil additives. Okay, please see this evolution chart of the lubricant oil. This is a conventional type of the mineral oil and synthetic oil. Basically, all vehicles add synthetic oil just for the function of the lubrication to improve the better engine performance and restore all the engines. Many additive manufacturers use so many different types of the ingredient and the name of the lubricant oil additives. Many companies use chemical-based bonding and coating materials like the Teflon and the paraffins. This kind of the bonding materials are very cheap priced chemicals and also very harmful and a lot of the side effect, mainly blocking the oil filter and the damaged engine performance. Some companies use the nanometallic particles like the nickel copper alloy, platinum, titanium, and tungsten. Some oil companies use micron or nano-based ceramic particles like the silica, boron, artificial diamond, and so many different part of the materials. These mentioned particles are not so stable in high temperature of the engine chamber. So it cannot achieve the long-lasting effective, or consumers can see no differences after application. That's why most of the existing additives are not so trusted by consumers due to the uncertain effectiveness. If the oil additive are mixed into engine oil and then no effective or no failing differences or just a temporary small differences after injection, it's useless and fake. It's nothing. Our graphene-based G-Ray is totally different in the real and fast and long-lasting effectiveness. The differences and advantage of our graphene-based G-Ray is really restored old engines and make new engines immediately, not like most of the existing additives. So it's our graphene-based G-Ray is a significant aftermarket product to achieve the outstanding and the real engine performance immediately in very cheap cost and without any engine disassembly. We have two different products. This one called as all-in-one type, apply any type of the vehicles with the gasoline, diesel, and gas engine, any type of the engines for the 4 to 10 liter oil capacity. The other one we call as the universal restorer. Universal restorer for the less than 600 smaller engines. For the motorbike, three-wheeler, power steerings, gearbox, differential, compressor, generator, conveyor belt, and the small metallic mechanism. This is real packaging. High concentrated graphene 30 ml pouches. 30 pouches in inner box like this, and 600 pouches in carton box for global shipping. All of our global dealers used to developing their own individual paper box like this. Every customer used to develop their own individual box. If interested to be our global partnership, test our graphene-based sample, GRE, and the market research in your hand. After convinced positive testing result, we invite you to be our exclusive dealership in your country. There are a lot of the old vehicles everywhere. It means it's a really big market. GRE, graphene, could be your profitable and unique business opportunity, and very, very competitive in the quality concern with nano graphene technology.